Right there. Dude, he put his light on me and everything. I was like, oh fuck, I'm in trouble. Look at this thing. Oh, I got the white wheel tints. Dope. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Dude, what the f? This guy's getting the middle finger right here. You, and you're by yourself. She lane crossed into a HOV lane by herself. Yeah. Oh, it's a green light. You see that car go right through there? This mother effer. Bitch. Oh, I love it out here, man. I love Santa Monica so much. It's so clean, so touristy. So dope out here. Look at that. Look at the ocean. Look at that. Dude, it's so nice again. That was nice. Always is, my friend. How is that? That wasn't so bad, eh? Okay, boys and girls, we've got Holly Weird. That's crazy ad there. iPhone 10 and then a big phone, and then they have Sprint logo. So Sprint paid for that, or did an ad co-op with Apple. But who got the money's worth out of that? Not Sprint, I think. Yo. That guy looks so high, he gets in the view side, and then like, yep. Did you see that guy who was so high, he's like, rolls out the window, peace, and then that was it. I'm like, yo, that was it. Welcome to Holly Weird, my friend. Look at this guy. Oh, look at that. It's popping off down here. That guy's throwing shit up in the sky. This guy just started at 3 seconds. He's dicey. Yeah. You suck at riding. Are you gonna push it? Oh, you touched it with your hands! You got AIDS! I would've just kicked it! He said thank you. Man, you're the newbiest rider I know. Yeah, because you're old!